we'll get into the Supta Kurmasana from the Kurmasana. So from the turtle pose, you're rolling the arms internally in this position. So make sure your thighs and knees are really close to the ribs in this position, and you bring the right arm nicely behind the back. So you pull the knee close to the ribs, you roll the right arm back, bring the right hand on your back, and then we roll the left hand in as well, but knee closer to the ribs so that we can bring our hands very close to each other. So we'll try to make a bind in this position if possible, or use the strap. We have the strap, we'll use the strap, and walking the hands closer to each other as much possible. Now from the next action, we'll try to bring the head down close to the floor, relax your neck, and we slide our feet a little bit closer towards each other as much possible. And yeah, very good. Your feet comes closer to each other, and your shoulder goes underneath the calf in this position. So we'll try to adjust our shoulders nicely, back of the knees in this position. Shoulder goes nearly under. Your head down, keep the head down. We'll try to adjust our shoulders very nicely in this position. Relax your head down. Shoulders pressing underneath your calf. And we cross the ankles as much possible, and your head goes behind your ankles. We stay there for a bit, relax your head down. We have the bolster. I'll give her the bolster, resting her feet on the bolster. You can push the head down in this position and trying to pull the shoulders nicely. Hands goes nicely behind the back. We make a strong bind in this position and stay there in a Supta Kurmasana position. We hold a few breaths, let the stretch your entire back. So in a Supta Kurmasana or sleeping turtle pose, turtle pull his limbs, arms, head, legs back into the cell. So this becomes the whole cell now. We'll take a few breaths here. Then slowly we'll release our hands very gently first. Release the strap very gently. And then you release your leg, uncross the leg very softly. You lean your body one side and release the one arm first. Take the leg a little bit out. You lean your body one side, release the one arm. Then other arm, slowly straight your back. Hold it for a bit. Straight back, sit with the straight back, and then relax. Now, in Supta Kurmasana, if somebody finding difficult to make a bind, so we can practice it in another way with support of the chair, with support of the straps. So just to understand that how we're gonna get into the Kurmasana, Supta Kurmasana, how we're gonna make a bind, how we're gonna use the strap. So see, if really require the mobility in our sacrum is fine. So I use a chair which will help me to improve the more mobility in my sacrum is fine. I sit on the edge of the chair and roll my flesh backward and knees bend. So I lean my spine forward here in this position, and I'll take the strap on my back before to get into the asana. So I hook the strap on my back. I keep the strap on my sacrum spine so that I can use the strap very easily without any partner help. So from here, I keep my knees bent, I pull my spine between my thighs and take the hands on the front leg of the chair. Hook the front leg of the chair and adjust the shoulders nicely in this position. So you can adjust, use your hand to hook the back of the heel and adjust the shoulders very nicely in this position. And then try to squeeze the knee nicely into the body and look front. Now right hand goes back in this position. You hold the strap, left hand goes back. We have the already strap in this position. So we'll use our hands to make a bind. So we hook the strap, walking the hands closer here, closer as much possible, and head down. Slowly bring your feet closer in this position. Stay there for a bit. Feet get closer, stay there. You have the bind, ankles get closer over the head in this position, and head down in this position. Shoulder goes behind the neck and stay there. Take a few breaths in this position. But still if you find difficult in this position, just avoid the binding and work on the forward extension. You can hook the chair and nicely pull yourself under as much possible with the bent elbows and pull the head down towards the ankle. As you release, walk your feet heel out. Just try to pull yourself straight back, look front, press the palm and slowly lift yourself up, come into the sitting position. So like that you can by yourself, you can try experience the binding of the Supta Kurmasana when you're practicing yourself at home. You can bring your feet a little closer. You can use your hands to make a binding. By using the strap, walking the hands closer, you can get into the asana slowly without any partner help. All right? Okay, thank you.